Author, Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss blockchain specialist. The evolving digital landscape has ushered in a new era of work, known as the gig economy. However, this shift brings its own set of unique challenges, such as trust issues, fair wage distribution, and contract enforcement. Blockchain, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies, holds the promise to address these issues while bringing about increased efficiency and transparency in the gig economy. Improving wage transparency through smart contracts, blockchain can drastically increase the transparency of wage systems within the gig economy. With the application of smart contracts, a form of digital contract where the agreement's terms are inscribed into code, payment processes become secure, automatic, and transparent. To maximize the benefits of smart contracts, it is recommended to clearly define the terms of agreement, ensuring all gig work conditions are thoroughly outlined and agreed upon. Once these conditions are satisfied, the blockchain will release the payment automatically, assuring workers of their timely and fair remuneration. Building trust with an immutable ledger. Trust remains a cornerstone of the gig economy. As such, it is essential to ensure a transparent and trustworthy work record. Blockchain's immutable and transparent ledger can be used to establish trust between parties by recording every transaction and interaction. This allows gig workers to present a verifiable and indisputable record of their work experience, skills, and earnings, enhancing their overall credibility. Enforcing contracts efficiently. Blockchain, coupled with smart contracts, can streamline the enforcement of agreements, reducing potential disputes. The terms of the contract are encoded directly into the blockchain, enabling automated execution. This way, both parties can have confidence that the terms will be adhered to, as outlined in the contract. By setting clear and mutually agreed contract conditions, the blockchain system will ensure adherence to these terms, creating a reliable and fair work environment. Although blockchain technology presents a promising solution to the gig economy's challenges, it also poses certain hurdles that need to be acknowledged and addressed. These include the requirement of regulatory oversight, the digital divide, the need for digital literacy, and potential security and privacy issues. These challenges can be mitigated through comprehensive regulation, user education, and robust security measures. Blockchain technology can significantly transform the gig economy landscape by providing solutions for key challenges like fair wage distribution, trust building, and contract enforcement. It is crucial, however, to keep in mind the potential roadblocks and adopt adequate measures to ensure a secure, fair, and efficient work environment in the digital age.